In today's video, I am going to show you my makeup removal skincare routine using all Asian beauty products. Before I start cleansing, I want to show you guys a product I received from a company called Duvolle. This product right here is their Radiance Skin Care System. They were kind enough to send me this product to try, and if I like it, I could feature it in my video. I have been using it to cleanse my face and remove my makeup, and it works. It's been working great for me. It helps to remove my makeup. They also gave me a 75% off coupon code to share with you guys, my viewers. So if you like what this product does in the video and you want to try it, go ahead and use my coupon code in the information section to get 75% off, okay? I guess there's not that much for me to say. If you have any questions, just go ahead and leave them in the comment section. I'm sure I'm forgetting something, or if there is anything I'm missing or you didn't understand anything and you need more information, just go ahead and comment in the comment section, okay? Thanks for watching this video, and I'll see you in my next video.